Make money online, 5 easy methods. Hello everyone, it's Overflowing Wisdom and welcome back to the channel. Now, have you ever found yourself scrolling through those endless TikToks or Instagram reels where everyone seems to be bragging about their side hustles making thousands of dollars from their laptops and you're sitting there thinking, man, I wish I could do that, but I don't even know where to start? Well, today, we're diving headfirst into the world of online income, breaking down the top 5 easiest ways you can start making money online. That's right, no more just dreaming about financial freedom. We're talking actionable steps you can take right now to start building that second income stream or even transition to working from home full-time. Whether you're a student juggling classes, a stay-at-home parent looking for some extra cash, or just someone who's tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. We'll be covering everything from freelancing and online tutoring to affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and even content creation. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock your online earning potential. Freelancing, your skills, your worth. Let's kick things off with freelancing, the ultimate side hustle for anyone with a marketable skill. Think about it, what are you good at? Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, whatever your talent, chances are someone out there is willing to pay for it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr act as virtual marketplaces, connecting skilled freelancers like you with clients from all over the world. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You get to choose your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and be your own boss. No more office politics or rigid schedules. Plus, as you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates, turning your side hustle into a serious income generator. Remember, the key to success in freelancing is to identify your niche, market your skills effectively, and consistently deliver high-quality work. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, network with potential clients, and showcase your expertise. You never know what opportunities await. Online tutoring, share your knowledge, earn big bucks. Are you a whiz at math? A grammar guru? Maybe you can explain complex scientific concepts in your sleep? If you've got a knack for teaching and a passion for a particular subject, then online tutoring could be your golden ticket to a flexible and rewarding online income stream. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors have exploded in popularity, connecting eager students worldwide with qualified tutors like you. Whether you prefer teaching English as a second language, helping students ace their SATs, or guiding them through college-level calculus, there's a tutoring gig out there for you. The best part? You don't need a teaching degree to get started. While some platforms may require specific certifications, many simply look for passionate individuals with subject matter expertise. So, dust off those textbooks, brush up on your teaching skills, and get ready to empower students while earning a handsome income from the comfort of your own home. Chapter 3. Affiliate Marketing. Earn passive income while you sleep. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, the holy grail of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, all by simply recommending products you love. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the power of affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You partner with a company or brand you believe in, and promote their products or services on your website, blog, social media, or even through email marketing. Each time someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareASale offer a vast network of merchants and products to choose from, covering everything from electronics and fashion to travel and online courses. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that genuinely resonate with your audience. Create high-quality content that provides value and promote those products authentically. Chapter 4. Selling on Etsy. Turn your passion into profit, calling all creatives and DIY enthusiasts. If you've got a knack for crafting beautiful jewelry, designing unique home decor, or creating personalized gifts, then Etsy is your online marketplace to shine. This global platform is a haven for handmade and vintage goods, connecting millions of buyers worldwide with talented artisans like you. Setting up shop on Etsy is surprisingly simple. You create your online storefront, showcase your products with stunning photography and compelling descriptions, and set your own prices. Etsy handles the rest, providing you with the tools and resources to manage orders, process payments, and reach a global customer base. The best part? You're not just selling products, you're sharing your passion, creativity, and a piece of yourself with the world. So unleash your inner entrepreneur, turn your craft into a thriving business, and join the vibrant community of Etsy sellers making a living doing what they love. Chapter 5. YouTube Content, Creation Lights, Camera, Income. Finally, let's talk about the platform you're on right now, YouTube. It's no secret that YouTube has become a global phenomenon with millions of creators sharing their passions, knowledge, and creativity with the world. But here's the kicker. It's also a legitimate avenue for generating substantial income. From ad revenue and sponsorships to merchandise sales and fan funding, successful YouTubers have turned their channels into full-fledged businesses. The key? Creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Whether you're passionate about gaming, beauty, finance, or anything in between, there's an audience out there waiting to discover you. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't become an overnight sensation. Focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your viewers, and staying true to your unique voice. You never know where this journey might take you. So, there you have it, 5 incredible ways to start earning money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, ditch your 9-to-5, or simply explore new opportunities, the online world offers endless possibilities. Remember, the key to success is to choose a path that aligns with your skills, passions, and financial goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, let me know in the comments down below which online earning method you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling, stay focused, and remember, your financial freedom starts today.